Made some meatballs, so I have a big pot of grease here. Be careful of Brian. That's what you're gonna do. Oh. That's a challenging part about it. Get away, asshole. Brian, what's right there? Alright. I was just dumping right on the log in there. Oh, God. I wonder how many flames are gonna get here. Boy, I tell you what, I wish I could always dump grease like this. Alright, 1, 2, 3, back up. No, I didn't go. That's all it did? I thought I was gonna do more than that. Brian wants flames. Oh, that smells good. Well, I tell you what, that didn't campfire smoke, but... Oh, let's get some of that. Oh, that smells good. That smells like a cookout. Oh. He splashed right there a little bit. Come on, is that it? Man, that's for more smoke and flames. Wait a second, I might go for smoke and flames. May go for smoke and flames in a second. You know. I think sit here and watch fun out. See if it flames in a minute. Can't do it with one hand. Yeah, you can watch that. See if we get flames in a minute. I may get flames in a minute. Come on, Dover. Here. Yeah, this is better than that. Come on. Yeah, much of a little flame there. Oh. Come on. Well, maybe it's some myth that grease is flammable, man. I need some myth that grease is flammable. Come on, Brian, we'll stop. Oh. Come on, Brian, we'll stop. Oh. I need a little more style than that. Come on, people. Maybe you gotta throw it up and take time to wind and watch. Well, that's one way to shake yourself in that. Come on, Brian, throw that up and wind and watch. Come on, Brian, throw that up and wind and watch. I think it's a mythic grease is flammable. Let's come over and test that theory. See, it's got my smartphone here. Oh, well, hallelujah, look at that. Hallelujah, it's about time. Well, hallelujah, it's about time. Lighter never fails. Never fails. Works every time. Who uses matches in the 21st century? Nobody. Matches are so 19th century, 20th century, you know. Ancient technology from the ancient world. Nobody uses matches in 2019. Trusty old lighter. Works every time. Hey, look, we got grease black. Let's see if I like that. Hell no, I ain't doing that. We spilled some grease back there, you know. Well, hallelujah. You got the fire light. Hey, look, sharks coming out. It's starting to rain out here now. Well, got the fire lit. Got rid of the grease. So, we're good. trust the old lighter works every time. It never fails. Unless that pie gets wet from the rain, then it don't work at all. Alright, it's like watching paint dry, so... I mean, who hasn't never seen a campfire? I mean, it's like watching paint dry. I think it's enough there. Hell. You wait about 20 more seconds, so... Get about 10 minutes of film there. Yeah, we know a few things about watching paint dry. Hi, doggy. You were bad. You ate all your poop earlier. I don't know why you have to do that. He ate all the poop in the yard. Well, it's a German Shepherd too. It purifies your dog's drinking water. Well, he said a turd 10 minutes ago. Hell, it's good enough. Come on, let's go. Hi, Shar Dog. Shar, hi Shar. How's a Shar Dog? I ain't gonna let you fight, good. This ain't Korea. I'm not gonna throw in the oven like a Thanksgiving turkey. What did you just say to Brian? What did you just say about throwing you in like a Thanksgiving turkey? Jeez. That's nice, Brian. I wonder where your mind is. If this was Korea, we'll throw in the oven like a Thanksgiving turkey. Yeah, right. I wonder where your mind is, Brian. Oh, he's gonna roll. Well, he's trying to eat my baseball. I got teeth marks in the baseball bat. No. So we got our rail car sitting out here to get wet, so the screws can go in them better. We need some modifications on those. Oh, yeah, we got our tracks in here. Look at all this track. That track all the way to the front yard. Track all the way to the front yard. You done? You watering the grass? He is watering the grass there. That dog is watering the grass. Alright, that's not fine. Enough shenanigans there.